I have a completely messy set of project notes here. Pricing ideas, launch goals, product features, marketing plans, risks, and a lot of decisions that still haven't been made. Basically, I have all the information I need, but almost no clear structure. So today, I'm going to give this entire document to ChatGPT and see whether it can turn these messy notes into a real PowerPoint presentation. First, I'm opening a new ChatGPT conversation. Now I'll click the attachment button, choose the document, and wait for the upload to finish. The file is now attached, which means ChatGPT can read all the notes inside it. But simply uploading the document isn't enough. I need to explain exactly what I want. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create a clear 7-slide launch presentation for potential investors and marketing partners. I'm also giving it a specific structure: the problem, the target audience, the product, the main features, pricing, the launch plan, and the next decisions. And this part is important. I'm telling ChatGPT to separate confirmed decisions from ideas that still need approval. I'm also telling it not to invent statistics, customer testimonials, or missing market data. Now I'll send the prompt and let it organize everything. Okay, ChatGPT has turned the notes into a 7-slide structure. The problem is clear, the audience is specific, and the unfinished ideas are labeled as pending decisions. That's exactly what I wanted. But now I need the actual PowerPoint file. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create the presentation in a 16:9 layout with a clean, dark startup design, purple gradient accents, short headlines, and a maximum of 3 bullet points per slide. I'll send that request now. Interesting. ChatGPT says the presentation is complete, but there's no file attached. So technically, the task isn't finished yet. This is a useful reminder. AI can sometimes say that a task is complete before it actually delivers the final result. I'm going to correct that. This time, I'm asking specifically for the actual downloadable PowerPoint file saved as ClipSpark AI Launch Deck. And I'm clearly telling it not to send another summary, just the real PPTX file. And now, it worked. ChatGPT has created the actual PowerPoint presentation with all 7 slides. Let's open it. The original notes were scattered and repetitive, but the presentation now has a clear story. It starts with the main problem, then introduces the target audience, explains how the product works, shows the features, presents the proposed pricing, and organizes the launch plan. The visual style is consistent across all 7 slides, and anything that still needs approval is clearly marked as a pending decision. The final slide is especially useful. It brings the launch goals, the main risks, and all the unresolved decisions into one place. It also keeps the original numbers from my notes, without adding statistics I never provided. Now, this presentation is not perfect. I would still review every slide, check the wording, and improve some of the visual details before sending it to a real client or investor. But ChatGPT has already completed the hardest first step. It turned a page of messy ideas into a structured presentation I can actually work with. So, can ChatGPT turn messy project notes into a real PowerPoint presentation? Yes, but the result depends heavily on the instructions you give it. You need to define the audience, the slide structure, the visual direction, and what the AI is not allowed to invent. Use AI to organize your thinking, not to make important business decisions for you. If this saved you time, subscribe to Tulura. I test useful AI tools without the hype. See you in the next one.